Okay, we're about to take Layla out to see her first snow. Feel it, touch it. She's a little cranky because she's overdue for a nap, and she doesn't like the way she moves in her snowsuit. So, here we go.
Here we go.
Whoa, it's white. What do you think about that? Wow.
Wow. He's trying to snowplow. He's stuck. Snowplow stuck.
Oh no. That's no good.
When are we going back inside? Yeah? Is that what you're asking? Sure, okay. Let's get a sense of it. Oh, man. What do you think of the snow? It's in your hands. What do you think?
It's pretty cold, huh?
Drop your pacifier right here. We'll find it in the springtime.
The pacifier's in the snow?
Yeah. Oh, right here. I thought I had it.
What's this all about, Layla?
Put your hands inside your mittens. Uh-oh. There we go.
Should we go inside? Okay.
Shivering?
That's Layla's first blizzard. Ooh.
Oh. Bye. You wave bye? Bye.
Say bye. Okay, the end.